Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can mute notification from the broadcast channel. Now to do that, you need to open the Instagram application first, tap open the Instagram on your phone device and then get logged in into the account first. Now that you are logged in, you need to go to the message icon on the top right, tap that. In the message icon, you go to the channel section, tap that, and in the channel section, what you need to do is you need to tap upon the channel to whom you want to mute the message. Once you tap upon this piece, you tap on the profile, that is the broadcast piece on top. Tap that profile and then you will find the three options in the profile: search, mute, option. From here you need to go and tap on mute, tap that. So there's a mute message notification option. You tap on the mute message toggle, moving it to the right side, which will disable any notification to pop out on your notification bar from now. This is a one way how you can do it. The another is you need to go back to the message of the channel. You go to the message, open the channel section, and here what you need to do is you need to tap and hold the channel name for a while, and this will give you this option. Here you will find the option mute message, tap that. Mute message for 1 hour, 8 hour, 24 hours until I change it. So you need to choose the option to how long you want to mute any kind of notification from this channel. So I'm just gonna go with the option for 1 hour, that is I won't be receiving any notification from this channel for at least 1 hour. Likewise, you can choose the time period of 24 hours and there's option until I change it, that is until you unmute the message you will not be able to receive any notification from this channel anymore. So I'm just gonna go with the option for 1 hour, that is I won't be receiving any kind of message notification from this channel for at least an hour. Hope this video was useful on how you can mute broadcast channel message or notification. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.